To make oobleck, you will need a small cup, a mixing bowl, cornstarch, and water. Add food coloring to the water if you wish to change the color. First, you will measure 2 cups of cornstarch. That's 1. And 2. Feel the cornstarch with your hands. How does it feel? Which material feels similar like this? Smell the cornstarch. Mila, is it safe to taste?
Yes, because you use cornstarch for cooking.
Do you think it's solid or liquid? Now, put 1 cup of water into the mixing bowl. What will happen if cornstarch meets water? Did your cornstarch change to liquid? What will happen when you hit it? Does it feel solid or liquid? What will happen if you grab it and drop it? Does it look solid or liquid?
Look what happened to my ball. You can explore with your feet. I did it last time.